Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting your assets ready. Sign into Google Drive, find the folder with your video, images, or audio, and download them to your device or enable offline access. Once done, open Alight Motion and create a new project with the correct aspect ratio and frame rate to match your Drive media. Make sure to name the project clearly. Now import your downloaded files from the device gallery into the Alight Motion media library, so they are immediately available for editing. Next, build your timeline. Drag clips from the media library onto tracks, trim edges, and split clips where necessary so visuals align with your intended pacing. Use keyframes to animate position, scale, and opacity. Apply easing for smoother motion because it looks more professional. Layer blending and masks can combine elements from different Drive assets. Import your audio from Drive, drop it under the video track, and sync cuts to beats. Make sure layers are organized and labeled as you go. To finish, export using MP4 or GIF depending on delivery needs, choosing a resolution and bitrate that match your source. Once exported, upload the final file back to Google Drive and also save the Alight Motion project file so you can return and revise. If you run into problems, try one key fix. Clear Alight Motion's cache and lower preview quality, then re-import assets from Drive. That often resolves crashes or missing files. Finally, verify playback on a different device to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.